In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendwave to send money to Kenya. By the end, you'll feel confident moving funds quickly, safely, and at the rate you expect. Start by downloading the official Sendwave app from your device's app store and opening it. If it's your first time, create your account and follow any prompts to verify your identity. This is standard for money transfers and helps keep your account secure. Make sure you're on a trusted internet connection and allow notifications so you can track your transfer in real time. Once you're in, choose Kenya as your destination. This tells the app which payout options to show, such as mobile wallet and bank delivery, and it lets you see the current exchange rate from your currency to Kenyan shillings. If the app offers it, glance at the estimated fees and delivery speed so you know what to expect before you proceed. Next, add your recipient's details. For a mobile wallet transfer, enter their first and last name exactly as it appears on their ID and their phone number in international format starting with the country code. If you're sending to a bank, select the bank and input the account information carefully. Take a moment to save the recipient so you won't need to retype this later. Now enter the amount you want to send. The app will calculate how much your recipient will receive, including the exchange rate and any fees. Adjust the amount until the receive side looks right for you. Keep an eye on any limits shown by the app, and remember that small test transfers can be a smart way to confirm details the first time. Add your payment method. Most users pay with a debit card or bank transfer. Fill in the required fields and complete any security checks from your bank, like a one-time code. Using a card in your own name that matches your Sendwave profile will help your payment go through smoothly. Finally, review and send. Double-check the recipient's name and number, the destination country, the amount, and the fees. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. You'll see a confirmation screen and usually receive a receipt by email or inside the app. Share the reference number with your recipient if needed and let them know to watch for the funds. If you spot a mistake, look for the option to cancel while the transfer is still pending, and contact support if you need help. That's it. You've just learned the essentials of using Sendwave to send money to Kenya quickly and confidently.